Welcome back to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products in the three-rail O-Gauge hobby. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Atlas has released its Winter 2026 Premier Catalog. The guaranteed pre-order date for all catalog items is March 4th, 2026. Leading off our list is new paint schemes and new real coal loads in the tenders of the Atlas 280 consolidation steamers. The models are available decorated in Duluth, Mesabi, and Iron Range, East Tennessee and Western North Carolina, Lake Superior and Ishpeming, Nickel Plate Road, Wabash, U.S. Army, Canadian Pacific, and Southern. The steamers are priced at $879.95. New color schemes are also offered on the Atlas Premier SD70M-2 and SD70 Ace models. Schemes include CIT Group, Susquehanna, Delaware and Hudson Norfolk Southern Heritage, Norfolk Southern Office Car Special, Kansas City Southern, Union Pacific, Montana Rail Link, and CSX. The suggested list price of the models is $749.95. The Premier model of EMD's F40PH diesel also returns in new paint schemes, including Amtrak Phase 3 Operation Lifesaver, Phase 3 40th Anniversary, MBTA Boston and Maine Heritage, MBTA New Color Scheme, Metra's Veterans Tribute, Metra Blue, Metro Northwest of Hudson, and new road numbers are available for the NJ Transit model. The diesels have a suggested retail price of $699.95. The 50-foot Gunderson High Cube boxcars return in new versions, including Canadian National Grand Trunk Western, Canadian American Railroad, CPKC Holiday with functioning LED lights, GATX, CSX, Stone Container, and TTX F-Box. The suggested retail price is $89.95 each, except for the CPKC Holiday car, which is listed for $119.95. Also available is the CSX Heritage 3-pack for $269.95 and the CPKC Holiday 3-pack for $359.85, plus a limited edition collector's series Union Pacific Big Boy number 4014 boxcar for $89.95. New paint schemes are also available on the Atlas Premier 3-bay center flow covered hopper, including the BNSF Swoosh, Cargill Salt, Chessie System Western Maryland, French's, Reading and Northern, and Sioux Line. The suggested list price of the models is $89.95. The Atlas operating side dump car also returns in new color schemes, including British Columbia, Rio Grande, Louisville and Nashville, Montana Rail Link, Norfolk Southern, Norfolk and Western, and Union Pacific. Described by Atlas as operating dump with shake action, the cars are priced at $109.95 each. 4 special limited edition Collector Series PS1 Bicentennial Colors boxcars are available, still appropriate for our semi-quincentennial, including Alaska Railroad, Conrail, Illinois Central Gulf, and Santa Fe for $109.95 each. New holiday-themed PS1 boxcars with LED lights are also available, decorated for Christmas or Independence Day for $109.95 each. For passenger fans, the Atlas Masterline Comet 2 and Horizon passenger cars are also available in new color schemes and new numbers, including Connecticut DOT Late Scheme, MBTA Revolutionary War, MBTA C-Trax Think Train, New Jersey Transit, MBTA, Metro North, Amtrak Phase 6, and Amtrak Phase 3. The cars have a suggested list price of $159.95 each. The Atlas Masterline Extended Vision Caboose comes in new color schemes as well, including BNSF Command Center, Burlington Northern, Gulford, and Conrail for $84.95 each. Also, limited edition Collector Series cabooses are available decorated for CPKC, CSX Conrail Heritage, CSX Monon Heritage, CSX Atlantic Coastline Heritage, Norfolk Southern Delaware and Hudson Heritage, and Norfolk Southern Executive Train Scheme, all for $84.95 each. The Masterline Troop and Modified Troop cars also come decorated in new colors and numbers, including Pullman Troop Sleeper, Troop Kitchen Car, Hospital Car, Chessie C&O Maintenance, Norfolk and Western Maintenance Sleeper, Norfolk and Western Kitchen Car, Wabash Troop Sleeper, Burlington Northern Express Car, and Burlington Express Car. Most of the varieties have a list price of $119.95, except the plain brown Burlington and BN cars, which are listed for $94.95 each. New color schemes and numbers also adorn the Trainman line 50-foot 6-inch modern boxcars, including Conrail with yellow door, Ferromex in red, Seaboard System with CSX patch, Southern Pacific, Ashley Drew in Northern, and Railbox. These cars are listed for $69.95. 2 limited edition Collector Series cars are also available in Railbox with graffiti for $74.95 and in Conrail with a replacement Reading door for $69.95. The Atlas Industrial Rail line returns with new paint schemes on the classic plug door boxcar, including Ford Vintage Mustang, Ford Built Wild, National Bohemian, Old Style, Pabst, and Schlitz with a list price of $34.95 each. Industrial Rail gondolas are offered in Santa Fe, Gondola Connection, New Haven, Railgon, R.J. Corman, and U.S. Steel for $29.95 each. And Industrial Rail Classic tank cars come decorated for Old Style, National Bohemian, Pabst, Domino Sugar, Hooker, and Warren for $39.95 each. Members of the Atlas 2026 Golden Spike Club may also purchase an exclusive Railbox graffiti car for $56.21 or a Reading and Northern Centerflow covered hopper for $67.46. In more news, MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2026 Premier O-Scale open-air 64-foot woodside passenger cars in 4 road names this summer, including Strasburg, Conway Scenic, New Hope and Ivyland, and Reading Blue Mountain and Northern. These all-new cars come in coach and observation models with multiple coaches available in each road name. Models will be available in extremely limited quantities. The cars are expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in August 2026, with a suggested list price for all varieties at $149.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced a number of exclusive and limited edition Rail King O-Scale SD9 diesels for various retailers. All models are expected to arrive in April 2026. Among the announced models is one in Chicago and Northwestern colors for Berwyn's Toys and Trains. These locomotives will be offered in 2 authentic cab numbers, with an early order price of $449.99. Next is a model in Elgin, Joliet, and Eastern colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. The early order price is $431.96. And another is in Westinghouse colors for Stockyard Express. These locomotives will be offered in 2 authentic cab numbers with an early order price of $479.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale GP35 diesel in Western Maryland colors for Cordry Crossing Hobbies. The locomotive will be available in 2 unique cab numbers, each in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis beginning in March 2026. The early order price is $599.95. Also remember to visit our online storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. What's New in O-Gauge is published every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and be sure to subscribe and click on notifications to keep up with the most up-to-date information. Thanks for watching.